lemon pepper buttermilk fried shrimp. This is it right here. I am trying to inform you. Jam-packed with flavor. This is amazing. And it is so easy to make. And you know your boy's about to show you how it's done. So let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So you are going to begin with all the ingredients that I have listed on the screen. We have buttermilk as well as all the dry seasonings you see here. We're going to drop in a little bit of hot sauce as well as 1 large egg. Go ahead and get your whisk and get to whipping. You want to make sure this right here is well combined. Moving on, you want to go ahead and drop in your shrimp. I'm using jumbo shrimp, but if all you can find is like large shrimp, that will do. And these are already peeled and deveined with the tail on, all right? So once you have your shrimp in there, go ahead and give it a mix. Make sure they're well coated up, and you want to let this sit for about 30 minutes to marinate, all right? Moving on, I have myself some all-purpose flour with a little bit of cornstarch. We're gonna shake off the excess off of the shrimp and drop it right into that flour just like so. And we are gonna cook this in 2 batches because we don't want to overcrowd our oil. So this is the first batch going into the flour. I'm gonna get these hands in there and give it a nice little mix. Make sure each and every one of these shrimps are well floured up. So this is how you should be looking when they are well coated up. Go ahead and shake off the excess flour and put it to the side as you're heating up your oil. You want to get that oil to about 350 degrees for the perfect crisp. All right, that is the secret to frying. 350, that is a special number. We're gonna drop all of our shrimp right on in. Like I said, we're doing 2 batches. And go ahead and let them do their thing. We are going to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes until they are nice and golden brown. Keep in mind, the smaller your shrimp is, the quicker it's most likely going to cook. And like I said, we are using jumbo shrimp. And this is how you should be looking once your shrimp are fully cooked. Tell me this does not look delicious, nice and crispy. Crispy. Come on now, stop playing with your boy. And we are gonna season this up with some Lawry's lemon pepper seasoning. And like I always say, you can use any lemon pepper seasoning you want, but in my opinion, Lawry's is one of the best. So we have our shrimp in this mixing bowl right out of the oil, nice and hot. And we are gonna be generous with this lemon pepper seasoning. Go ahead and just dump a bunch of it on top, give it a nice little toss just like so. And then once that's taken care of, you're gonna move on to your next batch and cook the rest of your shrimp, and you are done. Nice, easy, delicious. Look at this right here, nothing but pressure. This is so good. The lemon and the shrimp goes together so well. It's a natural marriage of flavors, you know what I mean? And as well as all the other flavors we got going on, it's just wow, hands down, one of the best. I am trying to let you know, and I can't wait for you to try this one. Let me know how'd you love it. Comment down below, like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.